The government has already agreed for the first time that there are some flaws, and that is why they agreed to bring amendments in this bill. But now the government should also agree on the fact that MSP should be included, because that will protect the farmers. They will not run into losses, and eventually if farmers are into losses, they will have to sell their lands. Then the APMCs, the current APMCs should be strengthened, and proper plan should be jotted and talked about by government. What will happen if these laws are not repealed? See, government is one representation. The government can take a stance. People say while the farmers have been protesting and government is offering amendments, the farmers should take these amendments wholeheartedly, because government is ready to come 50-60% on what farmers are asking for. But then there is still malice. The government is saying we will write MSP in written, but they are saying they will not write it in the bill. If they don't write it in the bill, it is not legally binding. Okay, so the first thing is, the government is one entity. They can think higher, they leave aside ego and say that okay, let me repeal the laws and I'll bring it back with bringing everyone in consensus. If they do not do that, the farmers, there are so many unions, there are 500 unions in this country, and across the country the protests are happening. Okay, and these farmer unions are very big in number. If they are not repealed, some farmer unions may be happy and others may not be happy. But we need to bring in all farmer unions together while passing, because this is a law for the country. Government, if they want, they should, first thing they should do is take back all these laws. They should repeal it. I am not saying they cannot bring laws. If they think the laws are good, they can bring back the laws, passing it democratically through the parliament. Before that, they could sit along with farmers, they could bring in consensus from the farmers, the stakeholders, etc., and take everyone on board. Let there be debates in the parliament, very positive, healthy debates where the opposition can counter if there are any flaws. And that's how we all can be corrected, right? Not like in a way a dictatorship it happens that, I want to pass this and I'll pass it in any way. No, we are a democracy. We are not autocracy or a dictatorship. Many farmers have lost their lives during these protests, and I would want that the government should be listening to them. And once they repeal it, everyone can go back happy, bring consensus and bring back the law, pass it democratically.